Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to our devlogs for Clustercraft, the 3D compute manager from Strong Compute. It's been a good end of the year, so we're all raring to go for 2026. And we're just going to jump straight into it with a couple of features that we're putting in now that we will develop and we'll push over to you shortly. It's pretty obvious at the top there what we've added. We've added a running cost. So we've been talking to a lot of people and doing a lot of research on what people want to see. And a lot of people have said we want to see multi-cloud costings. So figuring out how much the clusters are going to cost, especially when it comes to multi-cloud systems. So we've organized a total cost at the top. And then if you have a look at, I'll just move my mic closer. If you have a look at these clusters here, if I zoom in there, you can see that we also have costings for each of these clusters, and then a visual representation of roughly how much money they'd sort of make up compared to the total amount you're spending. So obviously these numbers right now are just dummy numbers. We're currently seeing if we can hook it into our Strong Compute API to make sure we get actual live costing data. That'll really help FinOps employees with managing the finances and making sure that we're not overspending where we need to or allocating resources correctly. Another thing we've added, we finally put this in at the end of the year, we've had the chance to show it off, is our level of detail system. So we've completed all the materials and stuff we're going to need. So if we zoom out, we can see that it looks like a realistic aisle. If we zoom out even more, the LODs will collapse into halls. And then even further, shows the floors, and then finally it shows buildings. Now this looks really good at scale. So Xander's just popped on what it looks like at scale. So we've got the buildings, and then we'll zoom into the floors, halls, aisles, and then finally each individual node. So those are the final versions of the materials that we've been working with to show off massive amounts of infrastructure in a clean and visually appealing way, while also being realistic to what real-world infrastructure might look like.
That's right. This stuff looks really, really cool, and it will also help you visualize every GPU in the world on your one computer.
It's very exciting. It's very exciting.
Yep, super exciting. And the best part is soon this will be able to support all of your live data from all of your multi-clouds and cloud compute. That's pretty much what I've been working on while Ethan's been making all of this look really pretty and performant and compliant with some aggregation rules that we've set up. I got to malleate all the live data into this form so that it will actually run and render properly. So all my stuff. I've been in the weeds fixing stuff that we did 7 months ago so that we could support all of the cool live data for you guys. But now you'll be able to see all of your cost control, all of your infrastructure scale, and how all your resources are looking in 3D with your actual real data, which is super cool.
We're very excited to finally be able to show it off. We're very excited to see what the rest of the year is going to look like. We have a great plan going forward, a lot of features, and a lot of migrating of other features from the Strong Compute control plane to be migrated into this system. So it'll be an all-in-one platform to handle all of your DevOps and FinOps needs.
That's right. Clustercraft, the game that also is your workflow.
It's very exciting. We hope that you continue to tune in with us over the course of the year. We look forward to working with everyone. We'll see you later.